Tower House by Löser Lott Architekten in Dresden, Germany. Centuries ago, wine was grown in the Trachenberge district of Dresden. The name Weinbergstraße, on which the Tower House is located, is still a relic of this past time when vines still grew here. The place is still characterized by its striking topography on the slope and the view of the city of Dresden. The result is a house that presents itself uphill to the street as a building cube on the scale of the surrounding typologies, while downhill it develops as an upright house with the appearance of a tower. The topographic motif of the slope is processed in the form of different levels in and around the house. A complex structure of 13 living levels, each wrapped around a concrete core offset by 4 steps, creates an interior spatial continuum that interlocks with the exterior at different heights. The program of the house manifests itself as a kind of vertical enfilade. Terrace at the garden level at the bottom of the tower, living room with fireplace, library and study gallery, loggia as sheltered outdoor area, dining room, kitchen, foyer at street level, bedroom, bathroom, patio, roof terrace. The entrance area of the building is in the middle of the tower. From here, the shared living areas descend the slope, while the upper area contains the family's private retreat areas, and the shared roof terraces crown the building. Large square window formats perforate the abstract tower body and frame painting-like views of Dresden's old town. Structurally, the building is divided into an inner reinforced concrete core with attached in-situ concrete ceilings and prefabricated concrete stairs, which are encased in an outer shell made of concrete with a board formwork look.